So they say when you marry in June, you're a bride all your life. And the bridegroom who marries in June gets a sweetheart for a wife. Winter weddings can be gay, like a Christmas holiday. But the June bride hears the song of a spring that lasts all summer long. By the light of the silvery moon, home you ride, side by side, with the echo of Mendelssohn's tune in your hearts as you ride. For they say when you marry in June, you will always be a bride. The day a maiden marries is a day she carries through the years. The church is full of flowers, bridal showers are passé. The groom's waiting at the altar, here comes the bride. They're each promising to love and obey. Best man is celebrating, every bridesmaid waiting just to see which one of them will catch the wedding bouquet. In November, the snow starts to fly, piling up ankle high. Come December, it's up to your knee. Still the bride's a bride to be. January, higher still, to the parlor windowsill. February finds a drift and a storm that seems never to live. March comes in like a lion, what else? Still the snow never melts. April showers will come, so they say, but they don't, and it's May. You're about to forget the whole thing.
The barnyard is busy in a regular tizzy, and the obvious reason is because of the season. Ma Nature's lyrical with her yearly miracle. Spring, spring, spring. All the hen folk are hatching while their men folk are scratching to ensure the survival of each brand new arrival.
Each nest is twittering, they're all babysittering. Spring, spring, spring.
It's a beehive of budding son and daughter life. Every family has plans in view. Even down in the brook, the underwater life is forever blowing bubbles too.
Every field wears a bonnet with some spring daisies on it. Even birds of a feather show their clothes off together.
Sun's getting shinery to spotlight the finery.
Spring, spring, spring.
From his eyrie, the eagle with his eagle eye gazes down across his eagle beak. And the vixen, his lady with the legal eye, screams, suppose we set the date this week.
Yes, sirree, spring discloses that it's all. One supposes it's a real bed of roses, wagging tails, rubbing noses. Each day is Mother's Day, the next is some Mother's Day when love is king.
Flo, Dan, Ben, Caleb y vosotras, corred, ha llegado el momento.